Welcome back to Cars of Sweden Live, and today we're going to be taking a look at this Honda Civic from 1993, but it's not just any Honda Civic. This one's got a few secrets, so we're going to take a closer look. Right, so we're here with Martin. Yo, say hi to everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Right, so Martin, what we got here, man?
We got a 93 Honda Civic, 125 brake horsepower.
That's a standard, yeah?
Yeah, that's the standard.
Right, but this one's got a bit more than that, yeah?
A little bit more, around 400.
Around
maybe.
400, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. How long have you had the car?
Oh, 2-3 months, something like that, I think.
So, I mean, it's got 400 for a Civic. I mean, it must be set up for something. What is it set up to do?
It's set up for drag racing.
So dragging, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So everything is already there then, I'm guessing, yeah? You bought it ready?
I bought it ready, sadly I didn't build it.
Right.
I wish I had the knowledge to do it, but no, I'm cheating.
All right, so where was the car built though?
Somewhere in the neighborhood of Malmö, Helsingborg, somewhere in Skåne.
Okay.
I think.
Right. And so, so if we look at the wheels for it, if we start at the wheels, yeah?
Yeah.
They're like 16 inch, are they, yeah?
16 inch something, I don't know the name of them.
But you've got another set of wheels for this as well then?
Yeah, I have a 15 inch drag slip tires.
Okay, right, so they're the tyres that you're going to use when you're dragging it, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, let's, if you stay there, yeah? I'm going to open up this side.
I will stay here.
Let's open up the door.
Yeah.
You open up your side there. We'll take a little look inside. Right, first, I noticed that you have a Sparco seat there, yeah?
Yep.
Right, and it's got a harness on it as well. How many,
5 points harness.
5-point harness, yeah? So, right, keep you strapped in nice and tight.
Oh, yeah.
Right, so if we look at the dash here, we come down and look at here, the center console, we've got these gauges.
Yes.
What do they do? Let's start from the top left.
First we have pressure, turbo pressure.
All right, okay.
Then we have oil pressure,
Right,
air-fuel ratio,
okay.
water temp, and oil temp.
Right, so it's serious business then, yeah?
Yeah.
I mean, this car is monitoring everything it's doing, yeah, under high pressure.
Yeah.
All right, so nice. It's really set up then. And if I look behind me as well, full roll cage there.
Yeah, it's a half cage, I think it's called.
All right. All to do with protection and everything else, right?
Protection,
you even got a seat in here, yeah? I guess that makes it a little bit practical, yeah?
Yeah. My daughter likes the car, so.
All right. It also comes with a sunroof. That's nice.
Yeah.
All right. Rear spoiler.
Yep.
I don't think they're standard on the.
No, I never seen just this kind before. The one I've seen have been bigger or carbon fiber or something like that.
Right.
I really don't know what this is.
And what I've always loved about these cars is the way they open up at the back, man. So it's great how they open, isn't it? It's lovely, man. What's going on back here then? We got some. Is this like?
There's some aerodynamic stuff.
So it's all do airflow going.
Yeah,
there,
it's airflow underneath the car, and it comes out here. And
so if we look under there, what kind of setup have you got with the suspension?
Yellow Kuni,
Right.
adjustable.
Coilovers, yeah?
Yeah, coilovers.
All right, nice. Right, so we're at the business end of the car now, so can we take a look under the bonnet and see what we got here then, yeah?
Of course.
Yep, it looks very busy under here, man. Very, very busy.
It is very busy.
Right, so look, I'm not going to expect you to know everything about this car, because I know you haven't even had it that long.
No.
But like, it's got the standard engine, yeah?
The standard engine is a D16 A6 bottom with a C6 top.
Yeah.
So it's a small VTEC.
Yeah. And if we look down here, we've got a turbo, yeah?
Yes.
Nice one, a nicely sized one squeezed in there.
Yeah. So Turbonetics T61.
And
a Turbonetics Evolution wastegate.
Right, nice. And all these bits and pieces that I have no idea is, yeah, but I'm sure somebody watching will understand what's going on here. For me, it's a mystery. But when you put it all together,
it works.
Yeah, and it adds up to around 400, yeah?
Something in the neighborhood of 400.
All right, excellent. Well, what we need to do then is get this baby on the road.
Oh yeah.
And take a closer look, yeah? All right, let's do that. Okay. Damn, that were hell goalless. Right, so this man here just put his foot down in his car and nearly scared the out of me. Alright, absolutely insane. Now, but the pickup in this car is insane, absolutely insane. Den gasar lite tunnare. Fast cars recently, but I can promise you I've never been that scared, ever.
It's a fun little toy.
Wow, that was amazing. Okay, so Martin, we've been out in the car. It's absolutely insane, this thing. Absolutely crazy. So what are your plans with the car?
I don't know if we're gonna keep it, sell it, do something else. I actually don't know. I like it, but I'm afraid of it. It scares me.
You're not the only one, man. It scares the absolute life out of me, this thing. But it's a lot of fun as well.
Oh yeah.
So, but anyway, listen, this has been a special show with an absolute unique car. This Honda Civic, like you've never seen one before. It might be for sale, you never know. So just keep in touch with the show and we'll keep you informed. But thanks for checking out the show. Thanks for Martin for giving us a look at the car. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, notifications and all that. And we'll see you all again next week for some more Cars of Sweden live. Maybe not as mad as this one.